Hello, YouTube and viewer, and I hope we all are fine. And so let's tackle and learn about another new topic. And randomly, when I wake up in the early morning, and I feel a great power between the because the when I feel when I realize the power of morning, and that's amazing, friend. And the really in the power in early morning has a special power and energizing you. And this morning, especially from 4 to 5 to 6 day, this morning are very powerful and effective and energizing hour, and grateful for your benefit to your body, mind, and your soul. And when I was praying in the morning, I found a great power in realized and great peace there. And I realized how much is powerful love and peace and liberation. So when you learn the art of liberation means the using of power of love, sex, and devotion, and and peace, romance. When you add all these things together and put as a liberation for your enhancement and development of your financial health or bodily health and mental health, whether the social nurturing and making a strong and powerful connection to your one for whom you are feel deeply connected with, maybe your family, maybe your lover, maybe your with nature itself, and maybe you are the self. So I would say that this was amazing. Really, morning has amazing power, and that not only help to achieve your goal, but also heal you and work as a medicine that restore your soul and refresh your heart, mind, soul, bodies today. And when you practice the power of liberation, you can be pray in the morning, you can be exercise, you can be practice your tuning with nature, your lover, and you can be learn the alchemy of feminine energy. If you are a masculine energy, you can be learn the alchemy with feminine energy, and if you are female, you can be learn the alchemy of the male energy to be mingled and tuning with them, and put your the desire and the fire, the deepest core, deepest belief, deepest passion. And I realize in the morning our life is meaningless and emptyless without desire or without a passion. We must have a passion and desire for living a life, and to contribute to people, to the world, to help other, and as well as to work in collaboration and peace. And yes, we live in a world where a lot of races and a lot of noises and a lot of calamities and different problem huddles there. Even after all these things, when you come close to nature, the nature nourishes you and teach you, because the amazing ladies and amazing power, she walk through the earth day and find the people who is really worthy of it, and she gives to goals and nurture her, and she also nurture that's the soul and help them to be attain their goal, help them to provoke them to be to find the passion in their life, to contribute the people. Nature is calling us today, and we need to be aware, we need to be open our eye and to see the life, and we need to be discover the what the deepest core and desire we have, that we want to be do, and we must be put all energies of life in order to be achieve that goal, in order to be create a value in nature and help to society, and to be one with the whole. At the conclusion of all these things, that the how to be leverage yourself with the help of morning energies and power, because the morning energy is really a work as a medicine and work as a magical power that nourish your soul, your body, your mind, and heal, and as well as also help you to attain your desire and goal. If you learn the alchemy or tuning with nature through your core desire and emotion and value, with the help of serenity, love, peace, devotion, and the spiritual sex, or to be tuning with the feminine energy, or whether you masculine energy, as the Dada is saying, find the partner who is complementary of your force and energy. So do not hasten your life, be happy, and celebrate your life every day, and do some things meaningful in your life, and create a healthy routine and activities for your life, and even after all the sorrow and pain, keep a hope, because the life in itself has a hope. And the feminine mystery teaches to be hope, peace, and walk in the silence, and she will give you the work of your, she will give you the fruit of your toils.